All right, this is one of the reasons why you need to do your lower right. Some of the small ones could come off. I have to take the high roads for myself. This is turning into disaster already. Depot up here. I can't believe this. There is a weight limit. There is a weight limit. There is a weight limit. Them pallets are completely wrong, so I'm gonna get them moving. Somebody's gonna have to move them from there. So the cylinders is strapped down, and it's only need that one because it's not that heavy. To be honest, that's unmovable. I need that one over here, so if it falls that way or that one falls this way, this pallet is gonna hold it, or that pallet is gonna hold this one. So we need to move that one over here. Basically, get it moved over. Yeah, it's alright there. It's gonna park there in that corner and get one of the forklift drivers. Yeah, it's just our last one to the other side, mate. Yeah, the last one, please. All we need to do now is get the gloves, and we need one more strap. You alright, pal? Yes. Cheers, mom. That is how we wanted them. All right, everything is being strapped down now to the back ones, and we go there, back ones as well. So let's go. Getting out of the yard now. We're going on our way to Presto and getting out of here. Should be a fun day, easy day as well. Not too bad. Traffic looks all right. Okay. It's gonna be a sunny day as well by the looks of it. Getting out of the yard a little bit too late for my taste, but we had a lot of stuff to do, like strapping the stuff right, like doing the checks, finding out where we're going and what it's going to be like, which is going to be an easy one. So already done the planning and all that, so an hour and a half to strap, do the planning, get myself sorted with all my stuff. Not too bad, I will say. All right, this is one of the reasons why you need to do your lower right and just make sure everything's strapped. The DVSA pull over this guy just for the reason that look at his load. It pulled this guy because his load looks a little bit messy, but to me it looks like it's strapped down, so hopefully it's gonna be all right. It's not gonna get taken off the road or anything like that. His stuff is strapped down, but imagine he didn't strap down properly. The only thing I seen wrong with this is some of the small ones could come off when he takes off because there's nothing at the back to stop. So this is gonna be an interesting one. Feel for the poor guy now. Hopefully he doesn't get a fine. This is the reason why I do a lot of videos and show people what I know, is because police are out there to get you, and not just to get you, to do their job. Good luck, mate. Strap your load down. Make sure you strap your load down. And then while you're getting pulled over, you got in your head, oh my God, I didn't strap my load right. If you see anything wrong on his load, share them in the comments and let me know, because from my perspective I looked at it quite well and it looks like everything is strapped down. It looks a bit messy, but that's about it. All right, plasterboard recycling, we're here. Let's just ring these people. No answer whatsoever. All right, let's go in straight away. Let's not waste time. Drop this and then just put a foot down till we get down to Devon. Don't know why I put my indicator, to be honest. This place is a mess. All right, let's open these curtains on the spot. Let's take the straps off. Right. And this is coming off in a second now. Hopefully the forklift driver is coming out. This is our guy. He's coming to do our stuff now. So let's get out of here and help him out. Close the curtains now. Dump. All right, where we're going is basically North Devon. It's not even Devon. It's right deep in it. It's like pretty much getting to Barnstable kind of way. That is miles away, and plus it's a 50 mile road there. So this is all I'm getting from the sat nav. It doesn't give me much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carry on going. When I get to this place, which I don't know if that's the actual one, I'm gonna carry on driving. I think I got a couple hours drive. Try to get there at least 5-10 miles before that, I'm gonna stop and then have another recce. No stress, it's really hot today, so we're not gonna stress about anything, we panic about everything, we really don't. But let's get our deliveries done, we got time. As you can tell, it's already turning into a nightmare with all the roadworks. I'm meant to be going down there, but with all these roadworks makes it a little bit difficult. I'm going to a B road as well, and it's been raining, it's been bouncing all the way down. Gonna have to take the high roads for myself. Yes, that wasn't too bad. It says weight limit turning here, but it's no sign. But the sign nav is telling me there's actually one. It's a sharp bend, but it's not that bad. That's what it looks like. North Street. This is turning into disaster, like crazy in the center already. Sorry, sir. You know where Gregory is?
Gregory?
Yeah.
You go straight up here.
Yeah.
Straight across.
Yeah.
Straight across the road. Down the hill, and you'll see there should be a factory on the top of the hill.
Okay.
A bit of steam.
Okay.
Up the hill. It's there.
Amazing.
Straight across, straight down over.
Straight up the hill.
Straight up the hill. It's right at the top of the...
Okay, amazing, thank you. Cheers. Alright. So we're going past these tight places as normal. I wonder if the tight place is gonna end one day. I spoke to someone back there and he says it's all straight, so this is right. It's just a little bit tight around there, but it's all straight. Look at this place, man. It actually, Gregory's has a depot here. I can't believe this. Private car park. I'll let you... Oh, you let me go. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's a weight limit there. There is a weight limit. There is a weight limit. There is a weight limit. Trying to get a different direction because the one I had before is a weight limit, as you can see there. So I'm not allowed to go through that. So weight limits. Choose a different directions from the side nav. It gives me a second option, and it's actually coming out here and turning. And should be a little bit more space as well, because little towns like that are really not findable. All right, clear direction from the industrial estate. Hill Village, that is where we're going. It's a little bit sharp, but nothing crazy. No, and actually when you see them on the Google Maps, it looks crazy, but it's not. Looks like I spoke too soon. Well, this is the Gregory's depot, so yeah, trucks come around there. So we didn't go past that pile. Right. Yes, safety stars. Looks like Gregory's depot is loads of Gregory vehicles, so I think this is the right one. All right, we are on the right place. So I got told to turn left, sit in a yellow box, and just wait until somebody comes and get me. All right, already tipped, already done all my things. Nothing too hard, really easy to do. I'm on my way to the farm and I already done my research and I know what I need to know, so let's go.